Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about installing a soap dispenser or a lotion dispenser, whatever you're going to use it for, on your kitchen sink. This is the unit that I happened to buy. We did take the old unit out already to make room for the new one that's going to be going in, which is basically just take everything that's in there out and throw it away, and then we're going to take our replacement and put it in. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look how your assembly is put together. This is the nut that actually goes up through the countertop or granite or whatever kind of a sink you're putting it through. This goes up inside there, and then this goes down on the bottom. This is your container, which then screws up into this after it's assembled. Then we take our pump, install the pump into the top like this, and it just pushes in there, just like that. This piece here pushes in here, just like that. And now when this goes into the sink like that, this will fit down in here like this. This piece will screw up in here like that. And then you would have this facing obviously into your sink or wherever you need to. But that's what it'll look like when it's put together. Here will be the sink, the granite or the countertop or whatever. All right, so let's put this together. First thing we're going to do is take this apart, and we're going to come over here and we're going to take this off. We're going to put this through. Now remember, your seal is up underneath here to keep any kind of fluid from going down. It just goes through here like this, like that. And we're going to take this, we're going to screw it on down the bottom. Once we're down the bottom, you can either tighten it on with a vice grips, or you can come up here with a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers like that, and you can just rotate it and turn it in like that, whichever works better for you. If the needle nose pliers don't work, you can use vice grips, channel locks, to put it on here, adjust it, and you can turn it as needed. All right, so let me get underneath the bottom, screw this piece up, and I'll show you how that goes. Okay. As you can see, up underneath here is where it comes through. So let me just go underneath there. I'm going to put that nut on there and we'll tighten it up. Okay, that's what it looks like right there. You just come on here with a pair of pliers just like this, and you just rotate it. Is that turning it up there?
No, I'm holding it tight.
Okay, that's nice and tight. Would you hand me the container with for the fluid, please? Thank you. All right, this goes right on here like this. Okay, we're done down here. Let's go up top. Okay, then of course the last thing we do is just install this through the top here. And now when you want to fill that container up with either your soap or your lotion, whatever you're going to do, one, you can take off the top like this and just pour it in through here. Or you could remove the container from down below, which is usually a pain in the rear end to do, so usually you want to fill it through the top. Once you fill it, you just put your pump back in through here like that, and of course then you just push it and you'll squirt your fluid out. That's it, we're all done. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.